Welcome to the future of industrial connectivity. Introducing the dynamic D1000 Slim connector from TE Connectivity. Your answer to more compact, more reliable, and more robust connections. Designed with the modern industries in mind, our dynamic D1000 Slim connector excels in space-optimized applications like semiconductors and robotics. Equipped with a rugged flat locking mechanism, our connector helps assure correct mating with a tactile and audible click. The structure is designed to essentially resist external forces, reducing the risk of unintentional unmating, even in densely packed, narrow ducts. Additionally, its streamlined design makes it excellent for integration into small and collaborative robots. Retaining its voltage performance, it is up to 47% smaller than the D1200, maximizing performance even with more poles. Furthermore, we offer the dynamic D1000 Slim in various colors and with 2 types of keying to provide a visual guide for correct and efficient mating. And with an expansive catalog featuring 11 connectors, you have a multitude of options to meet your exact requirements. The dynamic D1000 Slim connector from TE Connectivity. Small in size, big on performance. Because every connection counts. For more information, please search Dynamic on te.com.